Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Steam store and search for Beat Saber. Once you find it, click on the game to open its page. Then head over to the Community Hub. Let the page load fully. In the Community Hub, look for the Guides section, which can be accessed via a button at the top. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page listing various guides. Search for the guide title, Beat Saber Modding Guide Working 2024 in by Jaffa Cakes. If you can't find it immediately, you can either click on the modding or configuration category or use the search function within the Guides section to locate it. Once you find the guide, open it. It provides detailed step-by-step instructions on what you need to download and how to set everything up. The process involves downloading a tool called Mod Assistant. Follow the instructions in the guide to download and install this tool. By following this simple guide, you'll be able to get Mod Beat Saber easily. So that's basically how you can get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.